Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Microsoft Excel is not responding, starting, or opening properly on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side in the apps list field, go ahead and type in Office. Best match should come back with Microsoft Office. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the Modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. It's going to ask how would you like to repair your Office programs. We're going to start with a quick repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection, and then select the repair button. It's going to ask ready to start a quick repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you won't be able to use your Office programs until we're done. Select repair and give it a couple minutes here. Okay, so this is done repairing. We finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. So what I would suggest doing would be just close out of everything and then attempt to open up Excel and see if it's operating normally. If you're still having an issue, you can come back into this window here and then go back underneath the modify option. Again, yes, if you receive a user account control prompt. And this time we would select online repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. Select the repair button. It's going to say ready to start an online repair. We'll download files to repair your installation. This may take some time and requires internet connection. If you're on a metered connection, this may charge extra. Please keep this in mind when getting online content. Most of you guys don't have to worry about that at all, and you should know if you're on a metered connection or not. And we're going to go ahead and select repair. Okay, so it should say you're all set. Office is installed now. Close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And now if you attempt to open up Microsoft Excel, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.